What's up guys? So I've got my RX8 with me in the garage, and what we're going to be doing today is installing new coilovers, because my old coilovers, what happened was they blew up, and one of them blew in the front, and they've been getting old and they need replacing. Coilovers was actually the first mod I did to this car before I even started filming videos. So we're going to replace them with some new Tein Flex Z Coilovers, because I want to do it relatively on a budget. It might be a little step down for my JIC Magics, but they're blown up, so honestly it's a step up. So let's get these things installed and see how they are. So here are the coilovers I'm putting on. Right now I just have them set to the 8 clicks back from full stiffness, and then the ride height is just set to the recommended starting one. So we'll go from there, and then I'll let them settle and then adjust them from there because they are new. Over here I also have some Hawk high performance street brake pads. These are for the rears because my rear ones are pretty much all out, so we're going to be replacing those as well. Alright, so what I've now decided to do is just put it up on the jack stands and just the front. So we'll do the front on jack stands, and then we'll do the back on jack stands. So we got jack stands on the front, so now we can get to work on this guy. So let's get going. And there you go. That's the blown strut right there. Wow. Alright, so here is the old strut. You can see it's completely apart, and this is the one that actually exploded. I wanted to do it first. You can see it exploded all over the ground over there when I took it out. So, yep, this is why they need to be replaced, obviously. Got the new one right there. We're gonna get it in. Wasn't too bad. Just putting a crowbar under that bottom thing and loosen the ball joint on the bottom, and it came right out. So, Chris is gonna do the other side.
Oh shit, yeah. Will explode.
No, this one shouldn't explode.
Okay, good.
So we're gonna get working on this one. Which is the same as this, only it's not going to come out quite as easily because this one just broke in half. Alright, so the new strut is all in. This is the first one. It took, I don't know, like 45 minutes, which isn't too bad because I'm still getting back into it. There's that side. This side's all completed. Chris is still working on this side, getting it out. So we're gonna get this side out, get that one all replaced, get it all back together, and then jack up the back, and then do the rears. And then we're good to go. The rears, I believe, are a little bit more involved, if I remember correctly, but we'll see. Alright, the front is done. It's been lowered. That's the height we're at, so actually higher than it was before on the blown struts. Fronts are all done, it's all back together. So now I'm going to pull the car out, and we're going to turn around, pull it in forwards, and then do the back. Just got the rear one out of there, right there. Chris is almost done this side too.
Almost, yeah.
It is literally hailing outside, so good thing we have the garage today. tail. Alright, so the rear coils are all in and we're good to go, but you can see I just took apart the caliper. Here are the old brake pads. You can see the indicator. They're pretty much gone. We're going to be replacing them with these new guys. So we're doing that now. Alright guys, coilovers are finally finished installed. Those are all the old ones right there. And we did the brake pads too on the rear. So boom. Here's the height right now. So you can see it's actually higher than it was before, both in the front and the back. But I'm gonna let it settle because they're new. They're probably gonna compress a little bit, and then I'll do height adjustment afterwards. But yeah, take for a ride like this and test it out. I want to see how it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the install of these Tein Flex Z Coilovers. I'm gonna do a little review on how the driving experience, whatever, how it feels a little bit later, so subscribe for that, and I'll see you in the next one.